Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that song from Jack Hartman. Adjectives. Adjectives describe things. And today we're going to be looking at adjectives that tell what kind. So look at my sentences. We're looking for words that describe nouns. What kind? Okay? So the green ferns like wet soil. All right, so what kind of ferns do you see? I see green ferns. Green describes the ferns. They feel like wet soil. Well, what is the soil like? It's wet. So those are adjectives. They describe the ferns and they describe the soil. Those are two things. So the best thing to do when looking for adjectives is look for the nouns, person, places, and things in the sentence, and then how do they describe them? Look at number 2. The short ferns like sandy soil. Okay, well, the things in the sentence are ferns and soil again. The ferns are short, so short describes the ferns. The soil is a thing. What describe the soil? It's sandy. So it's sandy soil and short ferns. So I circled my adjectives. Let's look at sentence 3. We saw colorful lilies in the pond. Well, we are people, but there's really nothing describing we. Lilies are flowers. And what describes the lilies? They're colorful. So that's an adjective. Now, the word pond is in the sentence too, but it doesn't really describe the pond, does it? So don't have anything else to circle. Go to number 4. A spotted frog jumped onto a log. Well, there's a frog. What kind of frog is it? It's a spotted frog. So we're going to circle spotted. Jumped onto a log. Well, a log's a thing, but it doesn't describe the log. And the one on the bottom, do you think it likes cold water? Well, you's in there, but nothing describes you. And water is a thing. And what kind of water is it? It's cold. So we're going to circle cold. So remember, adjectives describe nouns. Nouns are person, places, and things. So look for the nouns and does it describe what they're like? Today you're going to do page 26. It's the page that has the balloons and there's cupcakes and there's a present at the bottom. And it says circle the adjectives in each sentence. Oh, the adjective. Underline the noun next to the adjective. So like number 1 says, Luke is having a big party for his brother Paul. Well, if I look through that sentence, there's Luke. That doesn't really describe Luke. Is having a big party. Well, a party is a thing. What kind of party is it? It's a big party. So circle big. For his brother Paul. Paul is a person. What kind of person is he? He's a brother. So technically you could circle brother. But really, I think there's mostly one adjective in each sentence, and this one's big. I think they accidentally put 2 in there. So each one, you're going to find the noun and look for the word that describes the noun. Okay? There's only 8 to go. When you're done, put it in the inbox and then get started on your enrichment.